Right here on your Wix dashboard, you can just click the Wix logo at the very top left of your screen, which will take you to out of your website. And then right here, you can just choose any specific site that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this one, and then on specific site, just click on three dots right here on the site actions, and then choose on move to trash. Click again on move to trash, and the sites will be kept in trash for 90 days. And after that, you can just go to your trash right here on the folders. If this trash doesn't appear, you can just do a refresh on your browser, and then click on trash right here. And then on the trash right here, you can just click on site action again and choose to remove site. This way, your site will gone for good, but keep in mind, if you do this, your site will not be able to recover anyhow. And then if you ever pick the wrong site on the trash right here, you can just click on restore by clicking on the site actions and then click on restore site. And that's how to completely delete site on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.